Okay, hi traders, this is a new video. First of all, the risk warning: your invested capital may be at risk. Don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose, and this video is not an investment advice. So this video is another Forex video. What can I say? The trade is gone out of the money. Yes, it means the stop loss of my stop loss was triggered. You see here the account increased, yes, because the stop loss was triggered, and so I got out of the trade. And now I will put another trade. I will do a sell trade here. I will put a short trade, and because everything is looking still down, this was a retracement, and I'm putting here at this position of the 50 multiplier, yes, a 50 multiplier, a 100, and I'm doing here a put in this kind of trade. All my trades are based on those things which I have explained in my ebook. Get this ebook, it's for free. You'll find the link in the description. This ebook contains the most important candlestick pattern, chart pattern, and binary option turbo trading concepts, market condition, trend identification, rejection, and candlestick math, and a lot of more concepts which can be applied to any kind of time frame, any kind of financial instrument. And yes, and that is already. Yes, get this ebook, it's for free. You'll find the link in the description. And yes, and let's see why I'm doing now this sell trade. Let me do first of all note this kind of price where I have sold. So let me see. It's it's 1 point. Let me see what's going on here. It's 1.15169. Yes, and I will stop to put the stop loss. Yes, at this level here. Yes, this will be my stop loss at minus 22. Yes, let me see. I would say minus 20. So I have a round number. So this, if price, or better, if price is going to cross this level, yes, I will be out of the trade. So yes, that's it. Why I'm doing this? Because this area will act as resistance, yes, and I'm expecting that price will go down now from this level because we are here in a downtrend. It's a weekly chart. Yes, the trade is gone wrong because there was no margin. I had no margin of safety in this case. Yes, the stop loss. Yes, I didn't. I was. To be honest, I have thought that price would reverse at this level. It doesn't. Yes, and that is what was a lesson to me. For the next time, I will try to do this to do my stop loss a little bit more tighter, like now, yes, 10%, because if the trade is going against you, you have to get out of the trade. I have not done this. Yes, I have instead I stayed in the trade, and that was the reason why at the end it gone completely, and at the stop loss was triggered. Yes. I removed the stop loss again. I will not remove the stop loss if price will hit that target. I will, yes, that will be triggered, and then it's okay. So let me note this kind of area. It's 1.15, 1.15, yes, 4, and 1.1516. Okay. Okay, so and yes, let's see what's happening here. Today there will be the decision if price will reverse from this level or not. Yes, but I saw already here a rejection from this level. Everything else is looking down. Yes, and so I'm expecting that this will stay. The trade will work. If not, it's only 10%. Yes. That can be recovered easily on one of the next trades. So let me see. I'm still believing that we are here in a downtrend. Let me see. Yes, yes, it comes up. You see, we have here the support area, resistance area, and it's rejected from this area. So the probability that a price will go down is much higher. Yes, yes. If not, I will wait till there will be a reversal, and then entering again into a put. Yes, so let's see. That's it. Yes, I'm expecting that we are heading down now. The stop loss is really tight, yes, so it can't be triggered. but that is the reason for a stop loss. Or the trade will go now in the right direction over the day, yes, or it will go against me and then it will be triggering the stop loss, so there is no problem. Yes, that was it already. There is nothing more to say. Yes, we got here. Let me see. I see here. Yes. Okay, I think that could go up further too. Yes, there is a probability. So I had to let this really close. But it's moving already in the right direction. This is also all heading down, but the 200 EMA is still flat. That is not so nice. And then we have here, let me see what's going on the daily basis. Yes, we have here this kind of rejection from the middle Bollinger Band. Yes, and that looks like we're getting here a pullback. If we get a pullback from this level, that would be nice. So we would get here, you see, in the next days, maybe 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days, this level here, the 87%, that would be a target here. Yes, this one here. Here below, we are at least at 100%. So that is it already. I think I have said everything. I have done my analysis, yes. And so let's see what's happening. If I see obviously the monthly chart here, there will be maybe a complete month to get down next, yes. But on the weekly chart, I see this also, that this week could be a nice coming down candle here. You see, that was now a rejection here from this level, and then this candle could close somewhere here. Yes, that would be probably, and on the daily basis, we got here also a rejection from this area, which is a nice support and resistance area. You see how nice I have drawn them, yes, and now we are getting here in the pullback, yes. So today I'm expecting only a rejection from this level. If we are getting out of this trade, if the stop loss will trigger, we are getting above this level here, then we are out of the game. Yes, also trade, but if not, this will be nice profit today. Yes, I'm expecting something like this, maybe here the 1 point, maybe 20% or something like this, if price will retrace and show that there will be a reversal coming up. Okay, so okay, that was it. We are already 1% in profit. That is nice. The price is going in the direction. So so I would say, if you like this video, do a like. If you didn't subscribe to my channel. And if you have something to say, drop me a line in the comment section. So bye bye.